Today I will show you how to connect Stripe to your Lovable app. The first thing you want to do is connect your Supabase account to your Lovable project. To do that, go to your Lovable project and click on either the Upgrade or Settings option. Once you are in the Settings, look for the Integration section. Here, you will see a button for Supabase. Click on that button and follow the prompts to connect your Supabase account. To connect Stripe, you will need two important pieces of information. The first thing you need is the price ID of the product that you want to sell. You can find this in your Stripe dashboard under the Product section. Each product or plan in Stripe has a unique price ID, so make sure you copy the correct one. The second thing you need is the API key of your Stripe account. You can find your API keys in the Stripe dashboard under Developers, then API keys. Copy the secret key carefully because this key will allow your Lovable project to communicate with Stripe securely. After you have both the price ID and the API key, go back to your Lovable project. Here, you will need to give a prompt to set up the Stripe integration. For example, you can type something like, "Can you set up integration with Stripe? I have the price ID and API key." This site is published to this URL. Be sure to include the URL where your Lovable project is published, as this will link Stripe payments to the correct website. Once you send this prompt, Lovable will ask you to enter the price ID and the API key. Fill in the details carefully and then confirm. After this step, your Stripe account will be connected to your Lovable project. Thanks for watching.